Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the world's most popular video gaming platform, the Steam software on our Windows 10 operating system. Yes guys, this is the video on how to download and install the Steam software for free on your Windows 10 operating system. And if you are watching my video first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, without further ado, let's get started. First step, we have to download the Steam app. To download that, you have to use any browser. Let me open Chrome browser and in the search for Steam download. Then press enter. There you can find the first result, that is advertisement, and if you go to the second, that's showing store.steampowered.com. So this is the website we have to download the official software. So just click on that. Also guys, I have provided the URL in the video description. Go there and hit the URL to download the Steam directly. Okay, once you enter the home page, you will find the install Steam button and it will automatically detect the operating system which you use. Also, you can find the install Steam on the top bar. You can click any button. Let me click this. Now the executable file will download it. Just click on that to run. Say yes to continue. Let me minimize the browser for a while. Now we have start installing the Steam app. Just click next and you can select your preferred language and hit next, and you can define your destination folder here by browsing and select the destination folder. I am okay with the default and say install. That's it. We have successfully installed the Steam. I will finish it and right click and open the software. Now make sure you have connected with the internet because it needs to download some supportive files for you. Yes, once the download has been completed, a login window pop up. You have to log in here. If you don't have created the Steam account, you'll find create a free account link here. So click on that. Then provide your email address. Then confirm the email address. Select your country and check the CAPTCHA. And confirm you are not below 13 years and hit continue. Now you have to verify your email to continue. Once you verify the email, you can set up your account name. Then put the password, then hit done. Guys, here we cannot use spaces. Just remove the spaces. Now we have successfully created the Steam account. Just click continue. Now we are able to log in. Put the account name and password and hit enter. Yes, now we are able to use the Steam application. Click on the add game here and add a non-Steam game, and you can select the program which you want to. So you can add manually the games here, or you can select activate a product on Steam and you can go there and agree the license, and you have to provide the license to use the Steam games. And if you want to view the game library, just click on the games here and select view game library. So that's it guys, this was the video on how to download and install Steam software on your Windows 10 operating system. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, I will meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.